I'm still sharp, but my back isn't keeping up.
Still sharp, but your back isn't keeping up. I'm Dr. Westergaard. I work with high performers who want to avoid surgery and get their life back using advanced regenerative spine treatments. We don't just chase discs. We treat the entire system, muscles, joints, fascia, nerves, with precision biologics like PRP and Platelet Lysate, all customized to your body and your goals. If you're ready for pain relief that actually helps restore performance, schedule your consult. Let's help repair your spine, not just manage the symptoms.